Welcome back, friends. And this is the theme which is being made, and in previous video I have shown these categories rightly, adjusted them through the stylizing them in style.css. So friend, if I take you now, I close this one also. If I take you to this demo theme, because here is this content, therefore this scroll bar is showing, but here this scroll bar is not showing because there is no content here. But I would like to show you that you watch these categories menu. If I take this scroll bar down, it is the sticky. You see that it remains here. I take this scroll bar down, it remains sticky. And its stickiness is due to JavaScript code. But over these categories, I have not written JavaScript code. So first I will write the JavaScript code now to make them sticky. I would not be able to show them because there is no scroll bar here. When I shall show data, then I will show you this one also. But I write the JavaScript code because I am working over this categories. So I should complete first the categories work. Therefore I come back to my code editor and I make a new file. I press Ctrl N, write some dummy text. Now Ctrl S, and I go back right inside the JS folder, which is inside the freelance. I double click over JS and I assign a name to this custom.js. Its name is custom.js because it will contain my custom JavaScript code. So I click save. Now I remove this. Now I shall include it, attach this file. I come at the bottom of this page, index.php, the page index.php. So this is the last script tag, which is right above the closing by tab. I press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and now I change its address, page address. It will not be the bootstrap, it will be the custom.js. Custom.js. So now I have included this JavaScript file here in index.php also. So now I come back to custom.js and here I shall write the JavaScript code. This is the basic syntax JavaScript $francis and semicolon to close. This is the jQuery basic syntax, sorry, not the JavaScript. So $document.ready. There is a mistake in ready spelling. Now it's okay. Function Francis and curly brackets. Now I press enter. Variable where I assign it a name, sticky nav top is equal to $francis.francis. The basic syntax once again, single quotes, no top. I have called this class here. I would like to show you this class here in category name, and this is the class no top. Offset dot top, a semicolon to close, where variable sticky nav is equal to function. I have created this function now, Francis and curly brackets. Where scroll top is equal to this syntax $francis.francis. Window.scroll top. If Francis and curly brackets, if this one $scroll top, this variable greater than sticky nav top, this variable. then this basic syntax and single quotes, and this class dot no top add, it should be added dot add class sticky top. Else dollar dot not no top or not no top, sorry, dot remove class. Otherwise you otherwise you remove this sticky top. Friend, I have created this class through this add class function. So in case of else, and then I have removed this one. If you know JavaScript and jQuery, you will understand it easily. It's not difficult. Sticky nav, this variable, this function actually, which has this variable which has been assigned to this function has been called here, because when you make a function, it is must that you call that function in the end. So now I go to my style, category underscore name underscore style, and I stylize that class. Dot sticky top, I show you this class which was made here. This is the class sticky top. Position fixed and important, space explanation sign important, that you must keep it is position fixed with 100%, top 0, z index 1000, dot sticky top space dot main dot cat dat list, main category list. This class is here inside this category nav dot php. Position relative, margin 3 pixel from top, minus 12 pixel from right, 0 from bottom, and minus 12 from left. Dot sticky top space dot main dot cat dat list greater than li, this li which is here inside this li. Line height 25 pixel. So friend, now I press Ctrl S and come here and I refresh this page, but you will not see any difference, because as I said to you that there is no data over this page, therefore no scroll bar is showing here. If there is any data, then scroll bar shows, and I show you that now this categories menu navigation bar has been made sticky, same like this one, same like now it remains fixed here at the top. So friend, I have completed this